All right, welcome back to Journey Gist. We are going to be diving into another strange location that you can find in our very own globe, and we're going to be focusing on Alabama as we have been for several videos. And we're going to look at Dismal Canyons, famous for its bioluminescent inhabitants. Well, I wonder how that looks at night, but let's go look at it. It's in Phil Campbell, Alabama. Let's go see where that's at. Phil, there we go. North. Phil Campbell. Okay. Birmingham. Okay. All right. We get it. Some strange looking. Wait, which is it? The bug, or is it whatever this crazy looking worm is, or is it that one creature? Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like when it glows. Okay, there's not a lot going on here. Past twilight, this Alabama canyon becomes alive, lighting up with hundreds of tiny bioluminescent creatures known as colloquially as dismalites. These glowworms, actually a type of gnat larva, require very specific habitat to survive and are unique to only a few places on Earth. That's pretty okay. All right. They are related to the bioluminescent fungus gnats found in Australia and New Zealand. Taxonomically known, golly, these words. North American Ophelia fultoni. The dismalites are the larval stage of the only bioluminescent member of Dipteria, the fly order containing mosquitoes, gnats, midges, and housefly. What are midges? Let's just find out. Why not? It's not going to hurt it. What are midges? Oh, they look at mosquitoes. Oh, yeah. What are midges called in the U.S.? Noceums. Called noceums because they are so small and hard to see. Okay. Yeah, they just look like mosquitoes. Anyway, found in North America, an endemic species, they live only in the Appalachian Mountains, Cumberland Plateau, and emit a bright blue-green light to attract food in the form of other flying insects. In its larval stage, the dismalites require very specific habitat to survive, humidity to prevent from drying out, hanging surface to allow it to build sticky webs or traps for. Okay, that's what we saw up here. And I guess is this a track bug or is this the glowworm? I'm not entirely sure. A still atmosphere to prevent lines from tangling and darkness to allow it to show a light. It so happens that Dismal Canyon provides the perfect habitat for these unique insects to survive. And when looking up at the moss-covered canyons walls, it's hard to tell where the dismalites stop and the stars begin. That's pretty cool. The dismalites aren't the only curious part of Dismal Canyons until an ice storm destroyed one of them. Twin Canadian hemlocks towered up from the canyon floor. One of them remains towering 138 feet tall, 8 feet wide, 9 inches around, with a crown spread of over 50 feet. It looks quite sturdy and healthy for its age of 360 years. It is the largest of its species in Alabama and thought to be one of the largest anywhere in the world. The hemlock is an isolated spot hundreds of miles distant from their normal range of growth. It is believed that the twins were the sole remnants of boreal or subarctic flora pushed south during the age of glaciers. The canyon is also said to be home to the world's largest Damarian vine. Riveting. You see the dismalites, buy a ticket for a night tour and bring a flashlight with a red filter on it. Okay. Before you go. Sure. 1.5 mile trail. Okay. It's fairly easy to hike. The wheelchairs won't be able to navigate the stairs down the canyon. Cool. I don't know. I was wanting to see some more night photos, but we did not. But that, is this what I'm talking about? let's do a little Google searching. What? I was like, is that legit? Is that real? Why are those photos not added in there? Look at, whoa, that looks way cooler than the nonsense we were seeing just a second ago. Okay, this is the one in New Zealand. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's way cooler now. Way cooler than what we were seeing just a little bit a while ago. Okay, no, that's worth a visit. That's worth a nice visit, no doubt. Well, there you have it. Welcome and thank you for tuning in for another video of Journey Chest. And I swear the videos will get better. Just got to get the first few out there and get started. But with that, I'm Cody Smith. It's a hot August 2023. And we'll see you next time.